Man, what do we have here? I know this ain't no black powder with silencer on it, man. They ain't even make silencers like this back then. Man, what y'all got going on over here,
Yeah,
man?
man, that's our black powder 50 cal suppressor.
You got the little flintlock, everything. I thought this was the Philadelphia Derringer. I got a Philly Derringer at home, look just like this. It's a little shorter, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know I was on Swamp People with the historical guns on the History Channel. Yeah, man, I should have brought something like this out. That'd have freaked them all out.
Man.
Yeah, you ever shot it?
Oh yeah.
You shot it?
Oh yeah, we did a pistol and a rifle like that.
How you load it?
So
you gotta take it on, take it off.
Just like this. You load it how you normally would, right? Stuff that ramrod down there, just like back in the day, you know. And then when you're done, you put your suppressor back on. You gotta tell your rapscallion though, hey, scoundrel, give me a minute to load this thing.
Yeah,
right?
once you get it right, you're in trouble. You're in trouble.
It takes 2 years to load, but then when you're good,
wow, it's over with.
it's over with.
Yeah.
One shot, one kill.